Hello, my name is Luis and I'm the co-owner of COLIN AUTIO Repair and Mobile Service in Lawndale, California. We're a family-owned business with over 20 years of experience. At COLIN AUTIO Repair, our goal is to provide top quality service to keep your vehicle on the road. Regular maintenance prevents costly repairs. Well-maintained vehicles are more safer and more efficient. So whether your vehicle needs wheels, brakes, tires, or any conditioning service, we can do it here at COLIN AUTIO Repair.